Famous high-end bathroom brand. Frequency conversion, energy saving, constant temperature and constant pressure water supply system and intelligent energy saving feeding system. Whole plant planning of injection molding factory for famous brand bathroom products. Central water supply system adopted the same way pipeline design to ensure that the water pressure and flow of each machine are balanced and the return water can achieve zero pressure. Ensure that the cooling water and chilled water of the equipment circulate smoothly. The pipe material of the water supply system is made of plastic-lined pipes. All pipes are lined with thermoplastics with excellent chemical properties. Compared with ordinary water pipes, they have the advantages of corrosion resistance, slow scaling, and prevention of microbial and bacterial growth, longer service life. The central water supply area is equipped with an 80 HP water-cooled screw chiller, which can stably provide 45 tons of cooling water to the workshop per hour. The water supply system is also equipped with a frequency conversion control cabinet, which can monitor the pressure and flow of the water pump in real time, and intelligently adjust the frequency to achieve energy and power saving, and realize the intelligent frequency conversion, energy saving, constant temperature and constant pressure of the whole water supply system. In addition, the central feeding station is located on the second floor. It is equipped with pulsation dust collector and roots blower to provide a stable air source for the entire feeding and conveying system. It is also equipped with a backup blower automatic switching system. When the air pump station fails, the system will automatically switch to the backup air pump without manual intervention to ensure the stable operation of the feeding system. The centralized feeding system is controlled intelligently and automatically by the central control unit to achieve 24-hour continuous feeding operation. The 10-inch touch screen makes the operation more intuitive. The system adopted a one-machine, one-pipe feeding method and delivers raw materials to each machine through the raw material distribution station. At the same time, each machine is equipped with a central magnetic hopper and storage hopper to ensure stable raw material conveying. The centralized feeding and water supply systems greatly improves production efficiency and product quality. The injection molding workshop achieves standardized, automated and intelligent production management.